This is interesting. What's this superstar up to? The WWE Universe is locked onto the ring, waiting to hear her out.
She's got the whole WWE Universe behind her now.
Yeah, she certainly made some good points.
Oh, this is kind of rude, but I like it. She thought she was just gonna talk uninterrupted. Think again.
Yeah, anything can happen in WWE, and that includes unexpected drop-ins like this.
She wants a match.
But will she get it?
It is on. No bell, no ref, just fists.
Here we go, and this match has the potential to end anywhere in or out of the arena.
Yeah, man, the unpredictable nature of a Falls Count Anywhere match has led to the same interesting ending over the years. You never really know when or where this is going to end, man.
Oh, using that championship with such malice.
Textbook side headlock takeover. Tremendous pressure on the head and neck.
She manages to reverse it.
Oh my God! Just sending bodies flying now, man.
Saw it coming. It counters it.
The disrespectful slap.
Well, maybe it's just me, but you can only be disrespected so many times like that before you start to develop a complex.
You get slapped a lot, Corey?
It's none of your business, Cole.
And in a no disqualification match, you never want to be the one on the wrong end of a chair or kendo stick.
Yeah, but if you are, that might just get the blood pumping. Might just get you fired up to start dishing out even more punishment to your competition.
Hung out to dry.
Gonna fly. Taking a flight to nowhere.
Took a big risk and really got the worst outcome possible.
Yeah, that was hard to watch. Here we go. Beautiful swinging neck breaker. Run out of ringside and back to the mat.
Gets dropped. Timely reverse DDT. Swinging the elbow to halt the offense.
Dark matter. Bam! She flipped that attack.
Oh, get ready. She knows exactly what she's doing with this submission hold.
We've seen a lot of contentious rivalries here in WWE over the years, but this is really starting to go over the edge.
I'm sure they're not thinking about it right now, but this rivalry is going to cause them to...
Tapping out.
Going straight to the top turnbuckle. Oh, my God.
Got the knees up just in time. Uh-oh, double underhook. This is going to be nasty. Oh, my goodness. Butterfly pile driver. Just a thing of beauty.
Oh, grabbing the belt. What now, man?
Oof, a bullseye with the champ.
And a victory here tonight. These women put on quite a show. Here's another look.
I'm on top, this ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped the beat now. This ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped the beat. Had the weight of the world on my shoulders. Felt like a lion in a room full of vultures.